Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICIC. Today we are going to continue the 5th unit, fraction. As we did the 5th unit, exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 in the previous sections. Now we are going to continue the 5.5 exercise. Before that, let me explain the multiplication of fractions, today's topic. Before going to the exercise multiplication, let me explain what is multiplication in the fraction, what are the steps to follow. First, let me example, in the page number 67, we have in a health camp, each child is given 1.4 liter of a milk every morning. How much milk is required for 12 children? That is a question. So each children, one children, how much quantity of a milk they are consuming, they given, and we wanted to find it out for the 12 children. They given the milk quantity in the fraction 1/4 liter. So first step, write the whole number as a fraction. So fraction, first one is, if it is a whole number is there, we have to write it in the fraction by using the denominator as a 1. Next one is multiply the numerator and the denominator. So both the things, if a numerator and denominator, we need to multiply side by side. Next, reduced into lowest term. The final step is reduced into lowest term. First step, we need to make it as a fraction. Second step, multiply the numerator and the denominators. Third step, reduce into lowest term. Let me explain the sums now. Page number 67, we have enrichment activity, that is checkpoint. Multiply and write your answer in lowest term. That we can write it in the book itself, children. First one is 9 multiplied by 1/2. So 9 we can make it as the whole number. We can make it as a fraction by introducing the denominator as a 1. Then 9/1 multiplied by 1/2. So as we did the second step, multiply the numerator 9 into 1, 9. Denominator 1 into 2, 2. So the answer is 9/2. Third step, we can reduce into lowest term. There is no possibility, so write it as it is. The second sum, 7 multiply 4/5. 7/1 we can take. For 7 into 4, 28. 1 into 5, 5. So second step we completed. Third step, reduced into lowest term. It is not possible. 28/5 will not come in any of the table. Next, fifth sum, 5/12 multiplied by 6. 6 we can make it as a 6/1. And now you can multiply 5 6 are 30 and 12 into 1 12. So before that we can do the simplification of a number, that is numerator and the denominator we can cancel. Here we have the first number 5/12, second number 6/1. 6 and the 12 will come in the same table. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So then the numerator we have 5 into 1. Denominator we have 2 into 1, 2. So 5/2 is the lowest term. Next, sixth sum, 4/3 multiplied by 9/1. So here the numerator and the denominator we can cancel. 9 and the 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Multiply the numerator, 4 3s are 12. Denominator we don't have any number, only 1 is there. So denominator 1. So the answer is 12. Exercise 5.6 in page number 68, multiplication and solve. A and B section is there. First one is multiply 1/2 multiplied by 50. The first sum, we have to follow the 3 steps as we learned in the previous one. Now 1/2 multiplied by 50. 50/1 we can make it, and if it is possible to cancel the number, we can do it with the numerator and the denominator. Here 2 and 50 into 1 2s are 2. In 50, 25 times 2 is there. So the answer is 25. Numerator is 1 into 25, 25. Denominator only one number is there. And next one is 1 by 3 multiply by 24 by 1 is there. So you can multiply numerator 1 into 24, 24. Then denominator is 3 into 1. So you can cancel the number 3 and 24. 8 3s are 24. The numerator is 1 into 8, 8 and 3 into 1 is 1. So the answer is 8. If the multiplication sum has any 0, the answer will be 0 only. No need to multiply any number. So directly you can put it as a 0. Next B section, solve 4 by 9 multiply by rupees 63. So whatever symbol is there or whatever quantities are there like measurements, rupees or liter, kilogram, whatever is there, you have to write the same symbol with the cancellation of the number. Here we have a 4 by 9 multiply by 63. 63 is the numerator and denominator we have a 1. So in that 9 we can cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So numerator is 4 multiplied by 7, denominator is 1 only. So 4 sevens are 28. Rupees 28 is the answer. Sixth sum, 2 by 5 multiplied by 550 milliliter. So in 2 by 5, 5 in the denominator we can cancel with the numerator 550. In 5, 1 time 5, 55, we have 11 times, 1 more 0 is there. So 110 is the answer. Numerator we can multiply 2 multiply by 110, that is 220. Denominator we don't have any number, we cancelled, so answer is 1. Next is 7th sum, 6 by 8 multiply by 48 gram. So we can cancel with the 8 and the 48. 8 ones are 8, 6 8s are 48. Numerator 6 6 is there, 36, and the denominator we have 1. So the answer is 36 gram. 8th sum, 5 by 4 multiply by 20 centimeter. 4 and the 20 we can cancel. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. So you can multiply numerator 5 into 5, 25. Denominator only 1 is there. So 25 centimeter. Next exercise 5.7 in page number 69. We have multiply and write the each product in the lowest term. As we did in the same thing in the first exercise 5.6. Same thing we are going to do it here also. First sum is 8 multiply by 3 by 4. 8 number is there means 8 divided by 1 is there. So we can cancel with the numerator and the denominator. 4 and 8 is there. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Numerator we have 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Denominator we have only 1 is there. So no need to write the denominator. So the answer is 6. Second sum 9 multiplied by 2 by 7. Here 9 and the 7 in the numerator and denominator we cannot able to cancel the both. So you can multiply the numerator 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18. Denominator we have 1 into 7. So 7. 18 by 7 is the answer. B Roman letter, multiply and write the each product into lowest sum. Same thing will be going to done here also. First sum 5 by 8 multiply by 3 by 20. So here we can see the numerator 5 and 3, denominator 8 and 20. So which number is able to cancel, we can do it. 5 and 20 we can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 4 5s are 20. And no more cancellation is there. So you can multiply 1 into 3, 3, 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. So answer is 3 by 32. Next second sum 7 by 9 multiply by 21 by 35. So which number and all we can cancel, we can do it. Numerator 7 and 9, 7 and 21 in the numerator, 9 and 35 in the denominator. So here we can cancel 7 and 35. 7 ones are 7, 5 7s are 35. Next 3 and 21 we can cancel. 3 and 9. 3 3s are 9, 21, 7 3s are 21. No more cancellation is possible. So now numerator is 1 into 7, denominator is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 7 by 15. Next section C, solve. First sum is the tailor used 1 by 2 meter cloth to stitch a shirt. How much cloth does he need to stitch 5 shirts? So one shirt they given, they are asking for 5 shirts. So it is a multiplication. The sentence is length of a cloth needed for a shirt. 1 by 2 meter. You can make it 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction into simple fraction. Here the whole number is 1, denominator is 2. You can multiply 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus the numerator 3. 3 by 2 meter. That is a simple fraction. Next one is length of a cloth for a 5 shirts. So we can multiply 5 into 3 by 2. 5 denominator, 1 is there. So you can multiply 5 3s are 15 in the numerator, 2 into 1. 2 is the denominator. 15 by 2 meter. You can make this 15 by 2 into mixed fraction like the division given as shown in the figure. So you can divide by 2 table. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. The same denominator should be the denominator. The quotient what we get is the whole number. The numerator is the balance one. So the answer is 7 1 by 2 meter. The second sum, 3 by 4 cups of a cocoa is needed to make a chocolate. If a Rohan wants to make 16 chocolates, how many cups of a cocoa are required? That's a question. So one chocolate, how much they given? They are asking for 16 chocolates. So we can write the multiplication solution. Quantity of a cocoa needed for making a chocolate is equal to 3 by 4 cups. Therefore, quantity of a cocoa need for making a 16 chocolate is equal to 16 multiplied by 3 by 4. You can cancel the 16 and the 4 which is in the numerator and the denominator. 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. And so you can multiply the numerator 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Denominator only 1 is there. So 12 cups of cocoa are needed to make a 16 chocolates. The last sum in this exercise is 2 3 by 4 liter of a paint is needed to color 1 square meter of a wall. How much paint is required to paint 3 1 by 2 square meter of the wall? That's a question. So in 1 square meter they given and they are asking 3 1 by 2 square meter of a wall. So it's a multiplication solution. Quantity of a paint is needed to 1 square meter is equal to 2 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. You can make it as a simple fraction. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 liter. Next, therefore, quantity of a paint is needed to color 3 1 by 2 square meter is equal to, you can make 3 1 by 2 mixed fraction into simple fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 multiplied by 11 by 4. Here there is no possibility to cancel the number. The numerator is 7 and 11, denominator is 2 and 4. So you can multiply 7 into 11, 77, 2 into 4, 8. You can make this 77 by 8 into mixed fraction as I shown here. Divide 77 by 8, 9 8s are 72, remaining 5. So write the denominator as it is 8, the whole number which is our quotient, and the remaining number will be the numerator here. So the answer is 9 5 by 8 liter. So I think you people can understand the sums. That's it, children. Today's class is over. We will see the next class with the division sums of fractions. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.